Hello guys! So for today's video, magagawa tayo ng vlog. Oops, naban yung isa kong account. So magagawa. Sana po wala rin po akong basher tulad ng iba. So magpapakita lang ako. Wait lang po. Wala guys, di ko mahanap pero okay lang guys sa inyo. So bago tayo start, huwag nyo munang kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. So, huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-comment. Kung gusto nyo rin mag-follow ako sa TikTok, ito lang yon ha. Itong TikTok ko. Wait lang. Ito guys. So, medyo madali. Ang pangalan niya, Livy. May flower ha. Ganito yung flower. Livy. Parang sa TikTok ko. So, may TikTok ko rin ako sa mama ko. Pero kaya mama ito sa punya Olivia pangalan. Ito may flower rin. Ito yung first video ko. Nawala ng sound. Ito yung first video nawala ng sound. Napatay ko kasi nga dyan. Wait lang. Okay.
My first follower thinking I forgot him. My first follower thinking I forgot him. My first follower thinking I forgot him. Power.
Eh, naku, video pala. Sorry guys. Wait lang. Wait lang. I-rate nyo to. Ako 7 out of 10. Ito 10 out of 10. Favorite ko yan eh kahit maasim. 10 to 10 rin, 9 over 10. Dalawa na kukuha ko rin dito eh. Minsan nga, 3 pa. Etong banana split. Ito, oh. Ito, 7 out of 10. Wait lang nga, guys.
If we talk about you.
Tsaka po, Sir Manix, ito po, i-ano nyo na po yan, ipa-join it. Para po, maganda rin naman po siya ata maging kasama. Mabait niyo po, maganda rin po yung mga content. Huwag nyo itong iba siya. Philippines. Ano?
If you can guess his name in 10 questions, you win $10. You know his name?
I know his internet name. This actually is
It is.
Okay, perfect.
I guess his first name.
Does it start with a J?
No.
5 letters.
No.
Is it short?
It's 6 letters long.
Does it have a C?
No. Close.
I should know this name. Is it a common name?
Relatively. It's not super
So, yun guys. Bye-bye na.